know y'all be missing me or whatever. I look a fool because I gotta do my hair or get my hair done, but we gonna just do it like Nike. Today's video is basically gonna be, I won't say too much of a tutorial, but it's just gonna be a video of how I install and help my clients put on their wigs when I make them a wig. I have a client coming by today to pick up this Autumn Beauty is what her name is. This is Autumn Beauty, you guys. I don't know if you can see it really good, but she's a copper, orange, red beauty. So that's why her name is Autumn Beauty. I couldn't do much with her because of the color, and I didn't want to bleach the color again, so there she goes. This is 20 inches. It's straight hair, so it's not really gonna hold a curl, but I did these curls last week, and she just been sitting here, so we're gonna see if my client wants it straight. It's for my client's birthday, so I will offer my client the option of me styling her for her birthday. But yeah, this is Autumn Beauty. Say hey to Zuri. This is Zuri, but the hair is Autumn Beauty. This is my bestie, outside my bestie. But it's Sunday, and I'm gonna tell you, I only do hair on Sundays if it's a touch-up or wig application. I'm not doing no style on the Sunday. So, yeah. This is Zuri with her Autumn Beauty on. And once my client gets here, we will show you how we're gonna place Autumn Beauty on the clients and style the hair and things of that nature. So stay tuned.
So first, I'm going to start off with fitting my client to make sure that she can actually fit the unit and wear the unit. As you can see, her head is a little bit big, but that's okay because we sewed it down, and so by the time she take it off, she ought to be right fit and true to size to the cap.
Ladies, booty bounce to this. Ladies, booty bounce to this.
So once you've secured your unit, go ahead and proceed by styling your unit. Girl, get as fly as you can be, get as cute, and in her case, I'll say this is about to be beat for her birthday. Yes, honey, yes.
cherry out. Turn that cherry out. I want you to turn that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. I want to take you.